This Clarke Ranger 850 air compressor offers a fantastic combination of performance, safety, and great value for money. This twin-output compressor is suitable for DIY and trade applications and is perfect for paint spraying, tire inflation, blow cleaning, nailing, stapling, and more. It features both tank and output pressure gauges, a regulator, and automatic stop-start control, all to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your air tools needs. The 850's automatic stop-start control offers the user greater control for the job in hand and also ensures that the motor only runs when it has to. This reduces energy usage, prolongs the lifespan of the motor, and saves you money. The 2 horsepower 230 volt motor drives a 7 cubic foot per minute compressor to a maximum pressure of a whopping 8 bar or 116 psi. The 50-litre air receiver is protected by a fully automatic pressure switch, and a drain valve is located beneath the receiver to remove any accumulated condensate. The Ranger 850 comes complete with wheels, a handle, inlet air filter, regulator, twin gauges, and a safety valve. The Clarke Ranger 850 air compressor, the ideal compressor for DIY, hobby, and trade users for spraying, inflating, blowing, air tools, and more.